my boots, say, my right foot's wet.
Suits you, mate.
Yeah.
Right, Andy. Not really.
Can't see. Hold on, let me catch you up. I can't see. Oh, good.
Funny story. Wayne were a bit blind halfway through, then realised he's still got his sunglasses on. We've come to this. There's the bridge.
Who's going first?
Not me.
Why didn't you tell me?
We wanted it to be a surprise, Wayne.
Is this it? Sangolka Lekamacha?
More. I don't know what it is, I don't know what it does, but it's a pump out. The rain, why do you want to shout it now?
Well, here we are.
Pissing it down.
Piss wet through.
Again.
News at 10.
British weather.
Yeah.
British weather in Portugal.
Married.
We certainly
Sorry.
brought the weather, haven't we?
Not married.
Certainly brought the weather.
Divorce. Kids.
So how's weather back home then? Oh, lovely.
I hate people like that. They go, oh, it's lovely here. I'll film it while I'm doing it.
I know.
Got no balance, but I'll film it as
I
well.
don't know why that crossed my mind to do that. Probably not my finest idea.
Trying to film it.
I am doing.
Are you?
Yeah. But also shitting myself at the same time.
One of you guys have put pins in my boots, say, my right foot's wet.
Is it generally wet?
Getting wet, my right foot.
Yes. Welcome to our world, mate.
I'm happy.
Watch it disintegrate.
Oh, suits you, mate.
Yeah.
Right. Day 2. Still wet. Mick's just behind us. I think he stopped for a toilet break. We've got John and Wayne up front. As you might have seen, we're walking along what's called a Levada, so like a big irrigation system if you don't know. I don't know what it's called, I'm not going to try and pronounce it. If I find out what it's called, I'll put it along the bottom of the screen. But yeah, we've been walking about 3 miles, a bit like yesterday. Hit and miss, storms, sun, storm, sun. It's a bit shite, but anyway. There's Mick.
Right, Andy.
Not really. Thought there'd be a nice wide path. Can we talk on?
Then again. Alright, I can't see. Hold on, let me catch you up. I can't see. Oh, good. You videoing it?
I'm videoing it.
No. Oh, you video.
Oh, I nearly went in. Oh, alright.
God, no.
Oh!
Keep your head down and just.
Into. I keep hitting side at wall. Hold on. John, let me catch up a bit because I'm too far behind.
Someone's coming the other way?
Yeah, someone's coming over, we've got to wait.
They're not.
Right on, let me put this bloody camera away. It's as wet as the otter's pocket. You can see it, lads, up in front. We've just been through that Levada tunnel. I tried filming it, but it probably didn't come out very well, but we'll see. I've took some photographs, we'll see how they come out. But I'll tell you what, it it was narrow and a bit low at times. So me and John struggled a bit. I think Mick and Wayne did all right. Funny story. Wayne were a bit blind halfway through, then realised he still got his sunglasses on. So that made us laugh a little bit. But yeah, we're still enjoying it. It's an adventure. My feet are wet. These boots are not very waterproof, but there you go. So yeah, we carry on.
Hey, what are you doing, man?
He's trying to get through, isn't he?
Trying to. It's all right, mate. Right, so we've hopefully you can hear me. We've come to this. There's a bridge. Not going over that. But just going to have a quick look and see if we can get across this. I don't think we're going to get across it though. Yeah. Anyway. What do you reckon, lads? You think you go across? Anyway, I'm going to put my camera away and my microphone, and let's see if we can get across it. Right, we got across. Well, me and John did, but we're waiting for Wayne.
Where did you go on that one?
Yeah, but just use your stick. So go on that one there. That one, that's it. And then you can get straight across.
Right there, that one.
Bit slippy. Bit slippy, mate.
Well, that went.
You're right, mate. That's it.
Well, that's gone.
Just go for it now.
Oh, yeah.
I'll bleep that out.
Sorry for swearing.
It's all right, it's all right.
Swearing YouTubers.
Oh, mate, look, he's a natural. Absolute natural. Oh, that's a bit deep, though. Oh, it's just gone right off of my boot. Right, so Wayne, I can't get down. Wayne and Mick have gone, but it's dead tight down there. So
We're meeting on the other side, innit?
John tried, he struggled. We're taller, so we're going to go over the top. You what? You can stand up. I'll leave it with you. See you in a bit, gents.
We'll see you on the other side.
Right, so me and John just climbed across, come down to the side, and Wayne and Chris have... Wayne and Chris? That's wrong. Wayne and Mick, they've gone forward. So apparently there's another waterfall type thing to cross, and it's worse than the last one. So let's see what's going to come about this then. I don't think you can see this yet, but it's a biggie. It's a biggie. Yeah, we're not going over that, I don't think. Let's have a quick look up here.
Who's going first?
Not me. This is what we're dealing with. I think we're meant to walk across there and go through that other tunnel. But I don't think I'm going to go that way. I'm just going to jump up on here and see what we're doing. Oh. Wow. John, are we going to go through that tunnel? Are we going through this tunnel here? No.
It's going to be too low.
Yeah. Right. I'll
Keep me like this.
Oh, so we need to go that way?
Yeah. Have you had a look at that tunnel?
No. I I think Wayne's doing a bit of pole vaulting here. What are you doing? Well, we got over. We just basically come through there and feet are wet, and now we're going that way.
What's that? Hey?
I don't know, mate.
What's that?
Dead bird or something. Oh, it's a bit of bark.
That? I don't know what that is. Looks like a pig.
Could be.
Little piggy thing.
Ooh.
Right, it gets steeper.
These steps don't look very steep, but they're well steep and dead slippy. But I'm just going to turn you around, way up, and that's our view. A little terraced type agricultural garden type things going off. But yeah, so we're dropping down as we come off that Levada. We're dropping down a good 200-300 metres down these dodgy steps, and then we're going on to another Levada. I think we've got another 4 or 5 miles on that. But dare attempt it. Weather's okay at the minute. Yeah, nowhere near as wet as I was yesterday. Right, so we've dropped down them steps, or the kind of steps. We've come to this Levada de Caniço, I think it's called. If I've got that wrong, I'll put it at the bottom of the screen. But this is where we are. This is well more idyllic than the last one. Last one was a bit more industrial, I think. But this is stunning. We've got this little bit of a waterfall here. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, this seems to be every little corner we go round there's something else opens up, another little surprise. But yeah, this is yeah, brilliant. Really loving this bit. So we've come down from over there, all the way from that, see all them buildings, them houses, that's where them steps were. And this is what we're dealing with. Beautiful. And we're going to carry on walking that way.
Hang there, Wayne, wait there.
Sorry for swearing. Why didn't you tell me?
We wanted it to be a surprise, Wayne. We wanted it to be a surprise.
Surprise?
Yeah.
Shit.
But Wayne, you might use your phone away.
I know you might be getting bored with this, but I'm certainly not. But look at this. That's Madeira. So we're just winding round. It's basically, they're all cut into the side of, well, cliffs really. And you've got all these rickety old fences. I mean, that's going to save you, isn't it? That's health and safety right there. Won't like to trust it though. But yeah, there's Wayne. Look, I think Wayne's got wet. This is a bit awkward. Didn't walk through that puddle there, so I've had to come across that. All that water just gone in my pocket. But anyway, there you go. I'm wet now. My whole legs it's wet through after walking through that waterfall. Well, yeah, it's this is the best one. This is awesome. This is. I'm hoping we'll get all the way through because it's a bit. Oh, hang on a minute. Right, I'm through. Anyway, I'm just. Well, I haven't really got much to say, so I'm going to stop talking now, do a bit more filming, and hopefully bring you along. But basically, look where I am. I'm hoping this camera's doing it justice, because it's, well, absolutely beautiful in real life. It is feature engineering. It's all out of concrete and cut out of rocks. Yeah. Wow. So that's it. That's that Levada done. That's probably, I've never walked really abroad, it's probably the first time, but that's probably the best walk I've ever done. I think the microphone will give up the ghost again, so I'm hoping the internal mic's picking me up. But yeah, that's it. So what we're going to do now is find a pub, get a well-earned pint, and then see what happens after that. Another day here. We'll travel back tomorrow. Today, Sunday. We'll travel back Monday. We're gonna have a chilled out day tomorrow. But yeah, I'm hoping you've liked what you've seen.